Third time at Lake Chabot, but somehow we never actually walk it. And today, that changed. It turns out all you need to do is put one foot in front of the other. And join us, let's walk this trail together. It's nice because it's shady. Oh, but not really.
Hello.
Welcome.
Welcome to Rhoda's vlog. Vlog.
Oh, we are walking. Wait, you guys, we need to see this. Walking around the lake. It's 9 miles and takes 3 to 4 hours. Bring plenty of water. I think we're only gonna do 10 minutes. Pilipino ka pala! Hi! Hi! Kumusta? Kabayan, taga saan ka ba?
Sa Mindanao.
Ay,
Shout out.
okay. Shout out.
Shout out daw sa lahat ng taga Mindanao diyan.
What is spawning?
Oh, spawning ibig sabihin dito nangingitlog yung mga isda.
Oh.
Para so bawal mag-fishing kasi ang mga isda dito mga buntis.
Hi! Thank you.
Wow.
According to your research, ano yun?
Cannot go into curbside recycling bins.
Ang
Kaya
alin?
dyan ilagay.
Dito ilagay yung baniin.
We're done with our 3 to 4 hours hike. Woo! So tired, I'm sweating.
10 minutes.
Man, our 3 to 4 hours is actually 3 plus 4, 7 minutes. That's all. I don't know what's happening here, but it looks like my auntie slash favorite cousin got tired from our 7-minute hike.
I'm full.
Harmless. Oh, baka doon parang taas, oh. To be continued.
Okay, how
You know, I
much,
was-
much coffee we like.
I was hoping somebody brought turon.
Sorry. No
I
taron.
want turon.
Or karaoke.
Oh yeah, karaoke sounds good.
But
So,
no.
next meeting,
I'll bring. Turon or karaoke?
turon or karaoke. Yes.
A lot of pressure.
Oh.
But, do
You know, I thought you left or something. I hadn't seen you forever.
Oh, we hike. It says 3 to 4 hours. Yeah. That's
Oh,
a
so
long
that's
time.
where you've been.
Yeah, 3 to 4 hours.
I went for a walk and I thought you guys.
Did you
I said,
do
oh,
it for
run a
hours?
left while I was
We
gone.
did 3 plus 4, 7 minutes.
Oh wow. The whole circle. You did the whole circle.
I did 3 plus 4, 7 minutes, Uncle. That's all we did.
Oh, 7 minutes.
You think it's like
Yeah,
3
no,
miles?
I haven't. No, I haven't seen her for like 3 hours.
It took her 3 minutes going this way, 4 minutes coming back.